Welcome back to my channel again. The class nanu the digestion in human body dil hapne tuga. The digestion human body nalu digestion gadebi biong, gadebi absorb biong, gadebi excrete biong. Tele what are the enzymes involved in digestion? Dil hapne tuga. First, food processing in human body involves the following four important steps. Tuga. And four steps the important. The first the ingestion imbe. Ingestion lamidi the eating the. Ingestion lamidi act of eating, feeding imbe. The mouth nale naanalu tamidi ingestion. Tuga. The digestion lamidi digest bini. The breaking down of food imbe. The breaking down of larger food into smaller particles is called digestion. The third, the absorption. Absorption nal the gazibeu yellow already food the digest be. The food the breakdown be with the smaller particle nalu. The amino acid, protein, nutrients, vitamins car absorb beni. The excretion nami the excrete beni undigested food the excrete betani chika. Tuka. These are the four important steps involved in digestion. There are two types of digestion in human body. Number one, the mechanical digestion imbe. Two, the chemical digestion imbe. The mechanical digestion is the physical breakdown of food. Example mo nalu the mechanical beon. Tell stomach na mechanical beon. Chemical nami the enzyme umatilalo. Digestive enzyme gi. The enzymatic breakdown of food into absorbable molecules is called chemical digestion. So digestive enzyme gi food the breakdown be midilu chemical digestion along. The main sites of chemical digestion are mouth, stomach and intestine. The main site for the digestion the enzymes that help in the chemical digestion are called digestive enzymes. The digestive tract, digestive system, the digestive tract in human body. First nalu the mouth, the mouth na listed be. The pharynx nalu, the long pipe the esophagus along. The esophagus le gatilu stomach nalu. The stomach nalu gatilu small intestine. Small intestine le large intestine. The large intestine le the anus chikathenjong excrete be. And long pipe the mouth nale anus sensigi long pipe do menane known as alimentary canal. The digestive gland the liver produces bile. The bile the green omega green the gallbladder along. The liver ki bile produce the gallbladder will store the bile limbe. The goimo. The next the pancreas though. The pancreas produces pancreatic juice. Main three important sites for chemical digestion dil hapketuga. The mouth nali start benime. The mouth contains the mouth ki contain saliva contain the mouth ki. Saliva contains enzyme like amylase linguolipase. These two enzymes are present in saliva imbe. Amylase breaks down complex carbohydrates into simple carbohydrates. Mouth nalo. Toga. The lipase lamidikasimo. Lipids the break bemide. And the lipase lamidira enzymes that break down lipids fats imbe. Goimo. The linguolipids dikasimo break down lipids. Goimo. The anibeudalu mouth nalu the carbohydrates the fats the digestion start beun. Goimo. The protein the stomach nale start beun. Goimo. The through saliva nalu lysozyme lamideulo me enzyme. The enzyme ki any enzyme kill harmful germs present in the food during digestion nimbe. Goimo. Second one is stomach. Tuga. The stomach wall produces gastric juice. The gastric juice contain four important digestive enzymes. The reliable tuga personally the mixture of gastric juice and indigested food is called chymisenol. Gastric acid tuga na gastric acid omega the gastric acid also called stomach acid same dani function the activates inactive enzymes me badane gide and destroy any harmful microorganism imbe the example chita was in the analog and HCl duganam. The HCl activates pepsinogen and form pepsin active. Pepsinogen the inactive with the stomach nalo. The ani HCl gidi gachibu. The ani pepsinogen the active form nalu convert peon activate peon. HCl activates the pepsinogen and form pepsin. Oi, the ani pepsin the active yasi. The gachibu the pepsin breaks down protein into peptones, peptides and amino acids in going more. The third enzyme the gastrin hormones, gastrins hormones here. Stimulates parietal cells to produce HCl hydrochloric acid. Going more. The fourth enzyme the gastric lipase. The lipase की दिखे में the mouth नालू या lipase दे कैसे दे lingual lipase दे mouth नालू दे यानी कि दिखे कैसे भी fats the break be the stomach naluya lipase to devada datak lipase the gastric lipase me and it breaks about 30% of the fats into fatty acids and glycerol imbe koimo third one is small intestine the small intestine nalu the three important juice the produce peolo three important nale chi digai me bile juice the bile juice दिखा की produce में हो liver की the bile juice is produced by liver and stored in gallbladder इमाने the bile juice की function दिखा सी में neutralizes the acidity of the chyme कोई मो emulsifies or breaks down larger molecules of fats into fatty acids and glycerol में कोई मो bile की the second the pancreatic juice में the pancreatic juice is produced by pancreas. The pancreatic juice contains following enzymes like one is enterokinase. The enterokinase activates trypsinogen and chymotrypsinogen. In trypsinogen the chymotrypsinogen the inactive form nalu deumade. The enterokinase will activate the into trypsin and chymotrypsin which is active. The trypsin and chymotrypsin breaks down protein into amino acid. The next enzyme the pancreatic lipase. The pancreatic lipase breaks down fats into fatty acids and glycerol DD nucleolase breaks down nucleic acid into nucleotides and nucleosides ED pancreatic amylase the pancreatic amylase break down remaining starch and glycogen into sugar human lacks an enzyme cellulase to digest cellulose no animal nalu chamchio tuga cellulase the third juice the intestinal juice the intestinal juice is produced by intestinal wall the intestinal juice contain following enzymes now number one the peptidase is convert proteins into peptone and amino acids break down protein the maltase की convert maltose into glucose lactase की convert lactose into glucose and galactose the lipase की breaks down fats into fatty acids and glycerol four enzymes are found in intestinal juice in some liver and blood disorders bile pigments accumulate in the skin resulting in a yellowing called jaundice jaundice the with of disorder the fourth one is large intestine the large intestine की same absorb water and electrolytes from indigestible food matter they produce and absorb vitamins vitamin absorb and form feces from waste and propel it towards the rectum for elimination excretion gidendo goimo ani gidi large intestine gidi g function chidi excretion no limbe excretion of undigested food. Maximum absorption takes place in small intestine nalu toga. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.